Umiyak po. Umiyak po ako sa takot. Pero before naman po, we had a scene together. I'm okay. Like, I'm doing a pretty good job naman. Like, one take. Like, ganon. Pero nung kasama ko na si Miss Claudine, like, dinner scene namin with Sir Bobby Andrews, napapanik na po ako inside. Kasi, hindi ko, parang, hindi pa nagsisink in sa akin na, oh my gosh, cover ko si Miss Claudine, cover ko si Sir Bobby Andrews. Tapos, sila pa yung parents ko dito, tapos I'm the lead role. Parang nagpatong-patong na po yung pressure, everything, excitement, lahat-lahat. So, I mean, that time, like, I can't act well talaga. So, direct parang, okay, again, and it was so like, nahihiya na po talaga kina Miss Claudine. Pero they were so nice. Like, sobrang patient nila sa akin. Pero that time, nung nilabas na ako ni Direk, para kausapin ako, sabi niya, how do you feel? Sabi ko, I'm nervous, as umiyak na lang ako. Tapos, ano lang po talaga, siguro pressure lang, kasi malaking project po to sa akin, and yung parents ko pa dito, like sino Miss Claudine and Sir Bobby, so mas doon lang talaga na pumasok sa akin na, oh, this is it na talaga. Like, different na to from other projects na nagawa ko. But I'm really, really grateful for that experience dahil kahit pa paano na-feel ko siya.